Just coasting right now. My foot is off the accelerator. There's no noise. Slowing down. Slight hill to level. Start accelerating lightly. There's a noise. Hopefully you can hear that. Right around that 40-mile-an-hour mark. I'm going to do it one more time here. I'm going to back off. I'm coasting. Kind of a downhill grade right now. A little bit of coasting going on. Back off. A little bit of a grade uphill going on. Accelerate again lightly. And should we get about 40 here? There's a noise. Right around 40 miles an hour. A howling, grinding type of noise. Sounds like it's coming from the front of the 2006 Dodge Dakota V8, four-wheel drive. Really hard to tell. Brand new front differential, totally rebuilt. Brand new tensioner pulleys. Brand new power steering. Pump and rack. Very difficult to tell what this problem is. Hopefully somebody out there can help me with it. There it is. Hopefully you guys hear that. Let me know what's going on. Thank you.